What is up, guys? Welcome to the South Coast. On today's video, we'll be building a bottle opener mounted on a piece of sinker cypress slab with a magnetic bottle cap catch to give away to one of you guys. So y'all stay tuned, see how this process goes, and find out how you can get your name in the hat to win it. What is up, guys? It is the next day. So yesterday got busy, had to go put some corn out, refill my old deer feeder, and try and do some more hand corning in a different spot. If you haven't seen my hand corning for deer video, that'll be in the end card on this video, so go ahead and click that and give that a look. Trying something new out in the deer woods. But anyway, this morning I went to Lowe's, got the correct screws for the magnet. I hope. We're about to find out. So we'll be able to get this joker put together, get this video edited, published, sent out to y'all, so you will be able to subscribe and comment. If you haven't subscribed before, you subscribe, comment on this video, and then that should enter you for a chance to win this thing. So let me get this thing finished. I'll go into some more detail about the selection process for the giveaway, and then we'll go on from there. Alright guys, well, I had to go get these number 4 wood screws. I don't think I've actually ever used a screw this small before for a project like this, but this is the only size that would fit through the hole in the magnets. Originally I was trying to do number 8s, and that obviously did not go well at all. These number 4s will have to do. Picked up some number 4s and number 6s. Even the number 6s are too big, so number 4s it is. Need to break out my little baby battery changing screwdriver. But I think that will do. Alright guys, well, we got this bottle opener done. I had a lot of fun making this, doing this project. I had this piece of Cypress slab already. See, it's got a live edge on that one side. It's actually about double this length. So we cut it down to length. It was already cut to width. It's got this rough edge, basically rough cut edge on one side, which is how I got the board. And then a clean cut edge on this side, which is a cut I made this cut on the bottom, and then we planed it, took the hand plane and got it relatively flat and smooth on the front and the back. And then once we did that, we cut our recess for our magnet right there. We got that cut out so that magnet sits just about flush with the wood. And then I put a coat or two of, it's a butcher block oil, but really it's just a mineral oil on it, so it's got a nice finish on it to keep it from getting real, I don't know, real waterlogged or anything like that. I don't think it would be great to use this outdoors, just based on the fact of the hardware that's in it. It's not stainless steel hardware or anything like that, so probably be better for indoor use. But after we got the finish done, went ahead and mounted the bottle opener and mounted the magnet, glued it in there, and then came back and got the right size screws to screw that in. We got a hanger mounted here on the back. You just put a screw or a nail in the wall and hang it right on there. But so this, the main purpose of making this project was to give it away to one of you guys, one of my subscribers. I decided that once I hit 250 subscribers, we would do a giveaway. And so this is it. I hit 250 subscribers a few weeks ago, and just found the time to get this done this weekend. So here's the video. Now, if you want to be entered to win this piece, you have to do two things. You have to subscribe to the video, and or subscribe to the channel, and you have to put a comment in this video. It can just be something as simple as you saying, hey, letting us know where you're from. That's always cool to see where all my subscribers are from, sort of get an idea of who's watching. Let me know what you think about this project, or any other video that you've watched, just leave a comment. You could even just put a period in a comment. But anyway guys, so those are the rules for the giveaway. I'm going to be posting this all over my Facebook and Instagram. My Instagram's at South Coast Dad if you want to follow along there. And so my goal is to obviously get more traffic to the channel, get more people engaged with the comments and stuff like that, and see if we can get some more subscribers, because that's always fun to get more people involved. So those are the rules. I'll let this run probably from the time I post it, probably go 2 weeks, and from there we'll pick a comment and subscriber and get this thing mailed out to you. So y'all stay tuned to the channel for other videos coming down the line. I'll do a video on announcing the winner, if the winner's okay with being announced. If not, I'll just make a video saying we found the winner and sent it out to them. But anyway guys, I appreciate y'all watching, appreciate y'all helping me grow my channel to where it is today, and I just very thankful for the group of people out there who decide that watching my videos is worth their time. So anyway guys, if you haven't already, hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for your chance to win this dude. Anyway guys, I hope y'all have a good one. We'll see you next time down here on the South Coast.